Hi guys, welcome to another lesson. Today's video we're talking of Phylum Platyhelminthes. Now this is another phylum under kingdom Animalia. So majorly we have the flatworms under this phylum. The flatworms are found under this phylum. Examples of flatworms that we're talking about are planaria, flukes, tapeworms, and so on and so forth. So let's talk about the characteristics of the animals found under the platyhelminthes, or let's talk about the platyhelminthes. Now, the platyhelminthes have soft, flat, unsegmented body. As we've said, the flatworms are majorly found under this phylum. So their bodies are flat, they are soft, and they are unsegmented. What we mean by unsegmented is that it's not separated into segments. Now, the type of symmetry that is found in this group of animals is the bilateral symmetry. The bilateral symmetry means it can be divided along only one plane. So this type of organism have the bilateral symmetry. Another characteristic is that they have no body cavity, or they do not have lumen, which means they are acoelomates. So they do not have body cavity. Also, they are triploblastic animals, which means their body is made up of 3 layers: the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. So they are triploblastic animals. Another characteristic is that most flatworms are hermaphrodites. What we mean by hermaphrodites? Hermaphrodites are organisms that possess both male and female sexual parts. So most flatworms are hermaphrodites, so they reproduce sexually. They do not actually require another organism for reproduction, but they still reproduce sexually because the single organism possesses both sexual parts. Then most of them are parasites. They could be parasites of man or other animals. So most of them are parasites. What we mean by parasites? These are animals that live in or on other organisms to feed on them, causing harm to that organism. So they are parasites, and we have 2 types of parasites: the ectoderms, which live outside the body of the organism, on the organism, and the endoparasites, which live inside the organism. So the flatworms majorly are endoparasites. Most of them are endoparasites that live inside the organism. That's the end of today's lesson. Next lesson, we'll be talking about the next phylum under kingdom Animalia. Stay tuned to keep watching.